At the age of 45, John, like so many other men, began to notice subtle, unusual signals during his morning routine. It started with an unfamiliar discomfort, a quiet message from a gland he had long taken for granted. For years, he had ignored or misunderstood these signals. But that day, something shifted, and John realized that what he had assumed was normal might actually be silently undermining his health. Today, we're going to dive into the surprising ways daily self-care, specifically regular ejaculation, can affect your prostate. In this video, we'll uncover 3 unexpected changes that occur when you masturbate daily. Trust me, the third change might completely transform how you view your body and your habits as you age. Before we get into the details, let's talk about the prostate. This walnut-sized gland, often overlooked in discussions about men's health, plays a crucial role in overall well-being. It processes fluids every day, fluids that can either nourish it or, if neglected, gradually damage its delicate tissues. Without regular maintenance, the prostate can become congested. Imagine a garden hose that isn't used for months. The water can no longer flow freely, and blockages begin to form. In the same way, a prostate that isn't regularly flushed may accumulate fluids, leading to discomfort and even long-term damage. I learned this lesson early in my clinical career. I recall a 65-year-old businessman who had ignored his prostate health for years due to cultural taboos surrounding self-pleasure. By the time he sought help, his prostate was congested with a severe buildup of fluids. He experienced persistent discomfort and difficulty urinating, a situation that might have been avoided with simple self-care practices. On the flip side, I also encountered a 70-year-old gentleman who maintained a routine of self-stimulation 3 times a week. His prostate health markers were astonishingly similar to those of a man in his 40s. The contrast in vitality between these 2 cases was striking and underscored a key point. The prostate needs regular flushing to stay healthy. Without it, fluids accumulate, potentially leading to issues like inflammation, discomfort, or even more serious conditions. When you ejaculate, your body experiences a temporary drop in dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone essential for male development, but also linked to prostate enlargement as men age. Each ejaculation offers the prostate a brief respite from the hormonal stress that can lead to its gradual enlargement. I once treated 2 brothers in their 50s. One of them routinely practiced self-care, while the other, holding on to outdated notions of propriety, shunned it. The difference was clear. The brother who engaged in regular self-care had significantly lower PSA levels and fewer urinary issues than his sibling. This hormonal reset is a natural, effective way to help preserve prostate health without resorting to expensive treatments. Every ejaculation triggers a cascade of benefits within the prostate. The muscular contractions that occur during climax act much like a pressure washer, clearing away accumulated fluids and cellular debris. This process not only resets the gland but also promotes fresh blood flow and the delivery of nutrient-rich secretions essential for long-term health. It's comparable to changing the oil in your car. Without regular changes, your engine eventually suffers. In the same vein, the prostate requires regular cleansing to function optimally. Many men over 50 mistakenly believe they are too old for regular self-care. They worry about societal stigma or fear judgment from peers. But in truth, maintaining a routine is even more important as you age. I've seen a 70-year-old patient whose prostate markers were better than those of many men in their 40s simply because he committed to a regular self-care routine. Even 1 session a week can make a significant difference in maintaining cellular regeneration and overall vitality. It isn't just about preventing physical symptoms either. Regular ejaculation has been shown to improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. Sleep is critical for overall health, particularly as we get older. By taking care of your prostate through routine self-care, you're also investing in your mental and emotional well-being. Men who maintain a steady self-care practice often report feeling less stressed, more confident, and more in control of their health. Let's break this down into practical recommendations. For men in their 40s, a routine of 3 to 4 self-care sessions per week is ideal. In your 50s, reducing the frequency to 2 to 3 times per week might be best, as the prostate begins to age and its needs evolve. And once you reach your 60s or beyond, even 1 session a week can be sufficient to keep the system active. The key is consistency. A moderate, regular routine is far more beneficial than sporadic, intense sessions. Now, let's address the emotional journey. Many men feel shame or embarrassment about self-pleasure, which can prevent them from taking care of their own health. I remember a patient named Robert, a 58-year-old who was successful in every aspect of his career but battled deep anxiety about his intimate health. He carried a heavy burden of shame and fear of judgment. After we discussed the importance of self-care and reframed it as a vital health practice rather than a moral failing, Robert began to embrace a routine that transformed his quality of life. He experienced fewer urinary issues, lower PSA levels, and most importantly, regained confidence in himself. It's important to remember that self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Our bodies require maintenance, just like any complex machine. The prostate, in particular, benefits from regular tune-ups. When you invest in yourself and make self-care a part of your routine, you're not only preventing potential problems, but also promoting overall vitality. Think of it as a long-term investment in your health. If a 70-year-old patient tells you, "I wish someone had told me this 30 years ago," then you know how transformative this practice can be. To sum up, here are the key takeaways. Regular flushing. The prostate needs regular ejaculation to clear accumulated fluids and debris. This process prevents congestion and reduces the risk of long-term damage. Hormonal reset. Ejaculation temporarily lowers DHT levels, giving the prostate a break from hormonal stress that can lead to enlargement. Natural cleansing. The muscular. Contractions during climax function like a pressure washer, promoting fresh blood flow and nutrient delivery. Age-specific routines. In your 40s, aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week. In your 50s, 2 to 3 sessions. And in your 60s and beyond, at least 1 session per week is beneficial. Improved well-being. Regular self-care not only supports prostate health, but also enhances sleep quality, reduces stress, and boosts overall vitality. Emotional health. Overcoming societal taboos and emotional barriers is essential. Embrace self-care without shame, recognizing it as a critical component of long-term health. Consistency is key. A regular, moderate routine is more effective than sporadic, intense sessions. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. Holistic health. Complement your self-care routine with regular exercise, a balanced diet, proper hydration, and stress management to support overall health. In conclusion, taking control of your prostate health through regular self-care is one of the best investments you can make in your future. It is not only about preventing physical discomfort or more serious conditions, it's about preserving your vitality, ensuring better sleep, and maintaining a positive mental state as you age. Despite the stigma and emotional hurdles that many men face, the science is clear. A consistent self-care routine can lead to remarkable improvements in prostate health, hormonal balance, and overall quality of life. Remember, you're not too old to start caring for your body. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, there's a simple, natural method to keep your prostate functioning optimally. Don't let outdated beliefs or societal pressures stand in your way. Embrace the routine that works for you, listen to your body, and enjoy the benefits of improved health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on maintaining your health through natural methods. Taking care of your body today is the best way to ensure a vibrant and fulfilling future. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.